This foil packet dinner is one of my favorites to bring on our family camping trips. It's healthy and tastes like a homemade meal, but it's cooked right over the campfire. We'll start by mixing up a quick marinade of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, thyme, oregano, salt, and pepper, or grab a garlic and herb pre-made marinade from the store. Chicken thighs are the best cut of meat to use in foil packets. I'll show you why at the end. Marinate for about 15 minutes or upwards of 3 hours. Don't put it in for any longer because of the lemon juice inside this marinade. Add the veggies to the packet. We've got onions, peppers, zucchini, and tomatoes here. Cover with a little marinade and then add your chicken on top. Seal up those foil packets with 2 layers of aluminum foil. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, rotating and flipping throughout the cook time. And here's why we use 2 layers of aluminum foil. That first layer will almost definitely leak. Once that chicken is cooked through, you'll top with feta, parsley, and Kalamata olives. Chicken thighs are the best because they stay juicy, even if they're a little overcooked, which can happen in the unpredictable temperatures of a campfire. Of course, I'd still have it no other way. Now check out these other foil packet dinners that are perfect to bring on your next trip.